Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about EVS question paper 1, which was conducted on 7th December 2025, that is today. Today's paper I'm going to solve. So the first question is the process that generate electricity in dry cell. तो सेल में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पैदा होती है वो किसकी वजह से? सो इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. So there is no biological reaction, no physical and not at all nuclear reaction. So the answer is chemical reaction. The next is the force that does not cause. तो जब हम फोर्स लगाते हैं तो उससे क्या चेंजेस नहीं होते. If you apply the force, it can change the velocity, right? We can increase or decrease the velocity of any object by applying the force, and we can change the size of an object by stretching or by compressing. If you compress, the size may reduce, and if we stretch, the size may increase. And we can change the shape also. आटे का shape हम change कर सकते हैं दबा के. So we can change the shape of the dough by applying the force. What we cannot change the physical state, whether the substance, if the substance is solid, we cannot change into liquid by applying the force. So we cannot change the physical state by force. Question number 123, the outermost layer of earth. So there are different layers of earth, right? The outermost layer we call it as crust. Okay. Next question number 124, the pitch of sound is determined by. The sound, whether it is louder or sharp, it is depend upon the frequency. See, if the frequency is more, the sound is sharper, like the sound of birds, their frequency it will be more. If the frequency is less, the sound it will be louder. Okay, like drum, sound of drum. So the pitch of sound is determined by what? It is by frequency. Question number 125. Question number 125. Correct ray diagram with respect to reflection of light. Reflection of light is bouncing back of light. See, if when the light is strikes to any surface, it comes back. This is reflection of light. See, this is incident ray. This one is reflected ray. And this angle is angle of incident, and this one is angle of reflection. Angle of incident is always equals to angle of reflection. Let's see which one is correct. This is incident ray. By this arrow we can consider this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Then it should be here angle of incident, but they gave what here? Angle of reflection. So this is wrong. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. So our answer is second. This is not reflection, they both are what? Refraction. Here bending of light is taking place, so it is refraction. 126. An earthquake of magnitude 6 than magnitude 4 is more destructive by. See, earthquake we measured by Richter scale. Okay, Richter scale. Here for every increase of magnitude by 2, every increase of magnitude by 2 means 1000 times more destructive energy. Here from 6 to 4, so the difference is what? 2, magnitude is 2. So 2 magnitude is means the destructive energy is 1000 times. Question number 127. Water stored in a dam is an example for. See, for any stored energy means it is a potential energy. Moving energy is kinetic energy. Solar energy, you know, the energy from the sun. Tidal energy means waves of ocean. So answer is 1. Question number 128. Pressure is equal to. Pressure formula, you know, pressure is equals to force upon area. So answer is force by unit area. 4 magnets are arranged to form a square. The polarity of A, B and C respectively are. Polarity, see these 4 magnets, they are attached, okay, they are attracting, they are not repelling. It means if it is here north, then it should be here south. Okay, if we have written here south, then here it should be north. Okay, north attracts to opposite pole, that is south. Here already we wrote south, means here it should be north. Okay, they both are attracting, so here it should be opposite pole, south. Then here north, here south. Now let's see, this is D. Okay, this is C, B and A. A is what? A is north, B is north, C is north. Then our answer is fourth, north, north, north. Question number 130. A lustrous non-metal. Lustrous means a shiny substance. Non-metal they are saying. Gold is a metal, right? Oxygen, carbon and iodine, these three are non-metal. But oxygen, it is a gas, right? We cannot see only. Okay. Carbon is a black and non-lustrous. So the answer is what? Iodine. Iodine is lustrous. The amount of water vapor in air is called humidity. हवा में अगर मॉइस्चर पानी हो तो उसे ह्यूमिडिटी कहते हैं. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 132. एयर इज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर. एयर इज व्हाट? इट इज a mixture. Element means oxygen, nitrogen, these are separate elements. Compound like H2O, it is a compound. Suspension, if you add any insoluble substance like soil and or chalk in water, it goes and settles down. Okay, it's separated from water, that is called suspension. Mixture is what? If we mix the two or more substance, like in air is what? Mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, right? Many gases. It is a mixture of many gases. So air is an example of mixture. Question number 133. It is commonly known as black gold. See, black, here the word we have two words are the black and gold. Gold because it is more important, we can say, more precious. Black, its color is black. So petroleum is it has more immense economic worth, right? It has more economic importance, and it is black fluid which we are getting from underground. So our answer is petroleum. 134. The base that conducts electricity. Here in all four options, caustic soda. Caustic soda means sodium hydroxide. Potassium iodide. Okay, vinegar. See, vinegar is acid. It is acid. Potassium iodide and potassium chloride, they are salt actually. Sodium hydroxide, it is what? It is a base. They are asking base. So answer is caustic soda. Question number 135. The process of conversion of liquid into solid state. Liquid to solid conversion is called freezing. As we freeze water to ice. Okay. 136. The gas released when acetic acid reacts with baking soda. Acetic acid. CH3COH is what? Acetic acid. It is reacting with baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is what? Baking soda. Here four options are given. Nitrogen. You can see there is no nitrogen at all here. We can eliminate nitrogen. Next, hydrogen. When hydrogen releases, when metal reacts with acid, hydrogen gas is released. You can see carbonate. From carbonate, you can say that carbon dioxide it will be released. So our answer is carbon dioxide. 137. The correct increasing order of fuels based on their calorific value. Calorific value, that is the value of energy when we release when we burn a fuel. Okay, if you burn a fuel, the energy which is released, right? The energy which is released, it is measured in calorific value. Which fuel gives more calorific value. It means when we burn, which gives more energy. See here, we have given 4 options: wood, biogas, LPG, petrol, and hydrogen. In that, hydrogen has more calorific value. It gives more calorific value when we burn. Okay, after that, it is biogas, then LPG, then petrol, and here at last comes wood. Compared to these 4, wood has the least calorific value. In all these 4 options, you can see in option 2 and option 4, wood has the least calorific value. Okay, then what should come? Petrol. Here after wood they give biogas. See, in both the options they are saying biogas has more calorific value than wood. Here also biogas, this symbol you see, biogas has more calorific value than wood. Okay, till here both are correct. After that, petrol. Here in option second they are saying petrol has more calorific value than biogas. See, petrol has least calorific value than biogas. Biogas have more calorific value. Okay, biogas has more calorific value than petrol. Then this option will be wrong. Petrol has what? Least calorific value than biogas. See, first hydrogen has more calorific value, then biogas has more calorific value, LPG, then petrol, then last is our wood. Okay, petrol has what? See this symbol, petrol has less calorific value than biogas. So our answer is 4. No need to check all the options. It takes too much of time. Exam time management is also more important. But here you can see next is LPG. They are saying LPG has more calorific value than petrol. Where is LPG? See, LPG is in 3rd place. LPG has of course more calorific than petrol. Then last here it is what? Hydrogen. Yes, hydrogen has most calorific value. Okay. Question number 138. The gas used for respiration in plants. See, respiration doesn't matter whether it is in plants or animals or in any other organism. Respiration means breaking of food in presence of what? Oxygen. That is called respiration. So which gas is used in respiration? It is oxygen. And if they ask which gas is released, that time it comes carbon dioxide. Next, 139. Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food is what? Protein. Protein or bodybuilding food, right? Here we should see in which food proteins are present. Rice is carbohydrate. Pulses, protein. Ghee, it is a fat. So our answer is pulses. Protein is what? Protein, it is a bodybuilding food. Carbohydrate and fat, it gives the energy, but it doesn't build the muscles. Our next question is 140. An example of renewable source. Renewables means which we cannot which we can renew. Okay, the source of energy which we can renew again. See here, coal and natural gas, they are what? Fossil fuel which we cannot renew again in a shorter period. Minerals also non-renewable. So our answer is water. Next, 141. Question number 141. Red data book includes. See, red data book here in all the options they are saying endangered. Yes, of course. But here they are saying only animals. Here only plants and here only tigers. So it is not only plants or animals. It includes all endangered plants, animals, and even fungi and other those whichever living things. No, they are undergoing endangered. It keeps the record of all those. Okay, so answer is 3. Question number 142. In human digestive system, hydrochloric acid is secreted at. So hydrochloric acid, it's secreted by our stomach to kill the bacteria and to activate the other enzymes. Next question number 143. Rhizobium bacteria, it is found in the root nodules of groundnut plant, which fixes the nitrogen fixation. It helps in rhizobium, it helps in water nitrogen fixation. 144. The jelly-like substance is actually a cluster of eggs of frog is known as. See, the frogs, when they release the eggs, no, the jelly-like substance, they releases in a cluster, okay, eggs, and they will be jelly-like. So it is called what? A spawn. Next question number 145. The correct sequence followed in agriculture practice. In agriculture practice, first we prepare the soil. In agriculture what practice, no, first we prepare the soil, then what we'll do, we will sow the seed. After that we'll add manure and fertilizer, then we do irrigation by water. So our answer is preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure, fertilizer and irrigation. Question 146. A teacher wants to explain the concept of a pond ecosystem. Which resource would be most effective for providing a direct real life experience? For real life experience, no, we cannot get from the textbook or by lecture method, or by showing the charts. We cannot get the real experience. We can get by visiting the local pond. If the child goes to the actual pond, no, then only he can get the real experience. Question number 147. Environment, composite, EVS syllabus, disciplinary in nature. You can eliminate thematic nature, passive, observer, this doesn't come. So we can eliminate and you can guess the answer if you don't know also. 148. Match the resource type with an example. Here also you can use the elimination method. See, media means newspaper directly. 3, where is the 3? And A. Directly you can guess the answer. 149. According to the NCF 2005, the most important aspect of learning EVS is considered as. Here also you can eliminate the negative points. See, memorization, wherever memorization comes, you should eliminate this. And scoring high marks, we should not study for getting the marks. Okay, why we are studying? To clear the concept. Then completion of syllabus. So these are what negative points we can eliminate, and without reading the answer also you can mark directly. Making meaning and developing the capacity of abstract thinking. So by elimination method, no, easily if you have not studied this studied pedagogy also, you can easily answer the questions. Our last is, the values are integral part of EVS learning. EVS learning places more focus on cognitive domain of the child. Here they both are interdependent, they are related, but they doesn't support each other. So hope you guys understood. Comment me below what is your score.